There are many advantages to consider physical rehabilitation for your pet. Hi, my name is Dr. Montes. I am the Medical Director of BARC, or Baseline Animal Rehabilitation Center. In some cases, this is a drug-free, surgery-free, and non-invasive treatment. It improves joint functions, pain and inflammation, and many other type of mobility conditions, whereas medications can only treat pain and inflammation. We are a full-service, small animal rehabilitation center that offers a wide range of rehabilitative treatments and programs, such as fitness, weight loss, arthritis, and pain management. We also offer post-surgical rehabilitation. We treat dogs and cats that suffer from any type of degenerative diseases. Just as in human physical therapy, we treat similar conditions for your pets, such as pain, arthritis, obesity, and any type of mobility injuries. We perform a comprehensive evaluation. It includes a full physical, neurological, orthopedic exam, gait analysis, plus various baseline measurements. We do all this so we can obtain information to develop a personalized therapy plan for the pet for their special needs. Rehabilitation treatments in BARC are prescribed, performed, and supervised by veterinarians. The most important is this is a science-based medicine. There is a lot of research that proves its effectiveness, and majority of this comes from human medicine, which they use the canine as their model for investigation. Second, just recently, AHA and AAFP have just considered veterinary rehabilitation part of the new standards of veterinary care. And lastly, we know for a fact that there's a large need for this type of special care, and in particular for canines. For example, about 20% of dogs in the United States suffer from arthritis, and 80% of these are senior pets, which might mean that they're dealing with chronic pain. Now, pets tolerate physiotherapy very well. In the eyes of the pet, this is a whole new experience. There's no injections, there's no nail trims. In their eyes, this is playtime because there is a lot of fun activities and there's a lot of healthy treats involved. By the second or third visit, this is when they really start to enjoy their visits at BARC. Rehabilitation services are not offered by many veterinary clinics. There's many reasons why many veterinarians are not familiar with veterinarian rehabilitation. Veterinary rehabilitation was not part in our school curriculum. So other than medical veterinary knowledge, you do require special skills, knowledge, equipment, and a dedicated facility for that. Therapeutic exercises is the most important thing or the most valuable treatment in physical rehabilitation in pets. There are many types of exercises, and it's based on the purpose or the goal for the pet. If we have an obese dog, exercise is going to be targeting to weight loss. If this is a dog recovering from any type of surgery, well, we're going to help them improve that joint and mobility. And if it's for a dog that's athletic, we're going to help him with his conditioning and fitness. So this type of exercise is called cavaletti rails. This is one of my personal favorite. It helps the pet go through a little obstacle course and helps improve joint range of motion, joint flexion, and balance and proprioception. Dogs that benefit for this type of activities are any dog with any type of joint stiffness, arthritis, or even recovering from surgery. That way we can return that joint or limb back to normal function. Majority of the dogs do tolerate it very well, but just like you and I, we feel the currents. So this is just as when we go to a chiropractor or a physical therapist, or we may even have a electrical stimulation unit at home also. So it releases short bursts of electrical currents, and this current just helps the pet relieve pain, inflammation, swelling, and even assist in building muscle. Many patients benefit from this, in particular dogs that are recovering from surgery. Also any type of chronic arthritis or any type of joint problem. This is low-level laser therapy. This is a unique modality. It relieves inflammation, pain, and accelerates healing in any type of patients that deal with chronic conditions such as arthritis or recovering from surgery. This is a safe treatment, non-invasive, and is non-pharmaceutical also. There is a lot of research that says that dogs that receive laser therapy after spinal surgery walk 40 times faster than the dogs that did not receive laser therapy. Pets are challenged by new forces, buoyancy, friction, turbulence, to name some, compared to land activity, which they're just challenged by gravity force. So underwater treadmill is very effective for dogs for conditioning, improves muscle mass, stability. This provides endurance, cardiovascular health, weight loss. This is also a diagnostic instrument, so I can tell if the dog is short stride, long stride, if he's limping on it. And if he has a short stride, that's because he's painful on it. And now we're going through the rehab, and now we're taking a normal, larger step. So that's how we kind of monitor the progress. And specifically for any dogs that are suffering from chronic pain due to arthritis in the hip, what buoyancy does is going to decrease the weight force to that limb or that joint. And that's going to become a non-painful limb while actively in use. BARC is a unique facility because we are solely dedicated to veterinary rehabilitation. We have specialized equipment, and we've been trained by the best in the field.